All right, viewers, another medal in Olympics for India. We are breaking that right now. This in 10-meter air pistol mixed, and that is once again Manu Bhakar along with Sarabjot Singh, who has clinched the bronze medal for India in Paris. And this is the second medal for Manu Bhakar. Of course, this is a mixed team event where we have Sarabjot Singh also as a partner, and the duo have clinched the second medal for India in Paris. And it's big news coming in for India. Remember, there has been a lull when it comes to shooting medals in Olympics for the past 2 years, and right now it's raining medals, and it's a very strong contingent as far as shooting is concerned for India. 2 medals in India's kitty this time. Bhakar is the first woman, remember, to clinch a shooting medal, and now we have 2 medals in Paris Olympics. That's the big breaking news we have right now, and of course there are many expectations from Manu Bhakar already when she clinched that first bronze in that single event in the 10-meter air pistol. This one is a mixed event, and a big update coming in from Paris Olympics, viewers. India is now getting the second medal in Paris Olympics. It's a historic moment for India. That was India's first medal on Sunday, and now just 2 days after, we have another medal in shooting, and Manu Bhakar also features in that, and a podium finish for India in Paris. That's a big update we have right now, viewers, coming in. And of course, this is the strongest shooting contingent, the biggest shooting contingent that India has ever sent to Olympics. It's a 21-member strong shooting contingent that India has sent. And now we are getting medals after medal, and we expect more from our shooters today because there are many events lined up that are happening right now as we speak in Paris. And of course, the important hockey match also lined up for this evening. But of course, the toast of the town is our shooters right now. Manu Bhakar is the only Indian woman in shooting to clinch 2 medals in one Olympic, and that's the big update we have. She's in fact the first shooter to clinch 2 medals in shooting in one Olympic, and that's the big update we have right now. She had a very sort of a low Olympic the last time in Tokyo. There was a lull in shooting for India in the previous 2 Olympics, viewers, in the previous 2 editions. But this time, it's we feel that the shooters are on a roll. And viewers, we will get you more reactions on that because this is a very important feat for India. Manu Bhakar and Sarabjot Singh bagging the bronze in Olympics, the second bronze and the second medal in total for India. And we are getting more updates. In fact, my colleague Himanshu is also joining us from the newsroom. Himanshu, of course, this is another reason to celebrate for India. Back-to-back 2 medals in shooting.
Rakshita, historic day, especially considering Gagan Narang. Gagan Narang was also in Tokyo when we could not get a medal in women's shooting. So this time now it's Turkey and Serbia are playing the final match for the gold or silver. Whoever wins gets the gold. So this is indeed an historic day considering how much effort goes into pistol and how air rifle shooting, and there's a lot that goes behind in the back rooms, right? You need to get the correct pistol, you need to get the correct training, you need to get the correct temperament. So here winning a bronze is no less job. This is historic day when it comes to India's shooting thing, Olympics. And remember, Manu Bhakar, if at all she wins in she's also playing in 25-meter air pistol event. So if she wins, she will be the only she will be the golden girl, probably the only girl from India to win 3 Olympic medals. So I am actually pinning my hopes on that. We should not settle on 2. We should go for the 3rd one as well. And I hope in 25-meter air pistol, Manu Bhakar brings us the gold.
Well, Himanshu, it's so interesting that, for the past 2 Olympics, we've been seeing that shooting was one, sport where we were expecting the most medals from, apart from wrestling. But there was a lull. There was a lot of disappointment, especially when we actually read about what happened with Manu Bhakar. She had a low, and how she spoke about bouncing back after this first medal, and she's on a roll this time. And you know, this is the strongest ever shooting team that we have ever sent in Olympics.
I am hoping Abhinav Bindra got us gold in shooting in 10 meter, and it was all about from Rajivardhan Singh Rathore, who opened India's shooting medal count with a silver in Athens, if I am right. And now Manu Bhakar and Sarabjot. Yesterday also Arjun missed by a whisker, so it one bad shot and he ended up at 4th place. So it was a photo finish kind of thing. But this gives you a lot of hope in coming Olympics, or maybe in coming this Paris Olympics as well. Paris, we want to see more bronze and more gold from shooting team, and I think this is a good job. You need to give credit to Sai, who made the arrangements for Manu Bhakar to go and train in France. She was in France for like around 2-3 months before the Olympics actually began, and people were like, there were questions also that how much we are investing in terms of that. We are not getting that kind of return. But remember, all these little investments that we are making today is building a team for the future, and getting 2 gold from one. This was a mixed event where Manu Bhakar and Sarabjot were playing in 10 meter air pistol. Now I am setting my eyes on the gold in 25 meter air
Absolutely.
pistol.
Many events lined up for today. Of course, remember, viewers, Republic TV continues to get you the latest from Paris. But right now, we'll slip into a very, very short break, viewers. But our coverage and the latest updates from Paris continues. Don't go anywhere.